Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw El Culpy from Incredibox Sprunki. So first we're going to get started with our hat. So coming down in towards the middle, we're going to curve this line over and out towards the left. Starting back on this line in the middle, we're going to again curve this over and then out towards the right. On both sides now we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in towards the top of our page, and we're going to end those both at the same height. Let's close this off now. So in the middle, we're going to curve this line in towards the center. And then again, as we move across on the right-hand side, we're going to do the same thing, blending that in the middle. Let's draw on the top of the hat now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line over and then in. And then across on the right-hand side, let's replicate that, curving that up and then back in again. Now from here in the middle, on the top, we're going to curve this line over and across. And then on the right-hand side, starting back in that corner again, we're just going to curve this line over and then back in, blending that together in the middle. On the top now, we're going to draw in a half circle in the center. For the logo inside the hat now, on the bottom, we're going to draw in a straight line from left to right. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in towards the top. And then on the bottom right, we're going to replicate that, just making that smaller. Now in the middle, we're going to bring this diagonal line all the way down. And then from that point, we're going to bring this diagonal line over towards the corner on the right. Now let's close off the eyes. So on the inside, we're going to draw in the pupil, drawing in a half circle on the left. And then we'll leave a gap moving over on the right and replicating that. Let's move around that now, drawing in the rest of the eye, and we're going to replicate that, just leaving a gap, making that bigger. And we'll do the same thing over on the left. Underneath for the mouth, we're just going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. Now for the face, on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a curved line. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, blending this together on the bottom. Before we draw in the hair, we're going to draw in the body first. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes all the way down towards the bottom of our page. And then we'll move over on the right-hand side, replicating that, ending that so it's at the same height. Now from here, we're going to close this off on the bottom with a straight line. For the zipper up on top, we're going to draw two diagonal lines that come out on both sides. And then we'll close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Now from here on the left, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes all the way down towards the bottom. And then we'll move across on the right-hand side and replicate that. Now on the top, we're going to draw in a straight line across. And then we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side, lining that up at the same height. Let's move down, leaving a gap, replicating that. Moving down again, we're going to draw in another straight line that comes across. And then one last time, we'll replicate that, bringing that over on both sides. Now let's draw in the hair. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out and then in. Starting from that point again, we're going to curve this line out, back in. From that corner, we're going to curve this line in and then up. And then again, from that point, we're just going to arch this line back in towards the side of the body. On the right-hand side now, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line back across and then up. Now from here, we're going to arch this line back in and then up. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line back in towards the side. And then closing off the hat on both sides from the corner, we're just going to curve this line in towards our hair. And that is it. That's how you draw El Culpy from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like.
If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.